in a Florida workers' compensation claim, the insurance company gets to pick all of the doctors that you see on an authorized basis. You are entitled to something called a one-time change in treating physicians, and that is something that we are going to specifically be focusing on in this video. So something I get asked is whether you should utilize the request for a one-time change in treating physician or not in your case. And honestly, it's a strategic thing. You shouldn't be doing it just kind of willy-nilly. You want to be using it when you think it is going to serve you the best. And so a pitfall that we see from time to time is before somebody makes their way to an attorney, perhaps, they are treating with a walk-in clinic and they're not really happy about how the walk-in clinic is treating them, and they ask for a one-time change in treating physicians. The problem is that the law says that when you use your one-time change in treating physicians, you get another doctor in the same medical specialty. So if you're treating with a walk-in clinic, that's who you're going to see. And more likely than not, that's not going to result in any significant deviation in terms of what is being recommended for you or how you're being treated. Unfortunately, when you're in a walk-in clinic, you're in an environment where they're busier, perhaps, than a orthopedist office might be. And so a lot of those issues that you're experiencing, you're probably going to experience at a different walk-in clinic as well. So it's preferred to wait to utilize your one-time change until you've seen a specialist, whether that's an orthopedist, pain management, neurologist, neurosurgeon, whoever it may be, because you would rather get a second opinion from a specialist than from just a walk-in clinic. And so what I often tell people is if you're with a walk-in clinic, just try to continue to follow up, be polite, continue to voice your concerns, and perhaps, hopefully, they will eventually make a referral for you to be seen by a specialist because they can't pinpoint exactly what's going on, and they need to have a specialist get involved to help pinpoint what is going on and guide you better in terms of your medical recovery. So if you can grin and bear it and do that, that is usually the preferred way to handle any kind of dissatisfaction that you might have with a walk-in clinic, so that you're preserving your ability to use your one-time change when it might matter more by getting you seen by a different specialist, whether that's an orthopedist, neurosurgeon, neurologist, pain management doctor. I hope you find this information useful. If you have any questions, give us a call, find us online. We're here to help if we can.